Welcome to Pop's Kitchen, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Again, we are doing some more military cooking like we did in the beginning. And we're going to keep on doing military cooking until the end. Right now, we're going to do some short order cooking. We're going to make some cheeseburgers. Everybody, you ready? We're to make some good cheeseburgers here. Okay, let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what I have here is ground beef. It's an 80-20 mixture. The reason why I like the 80-20 is because it won't be dry. The 20 is fat, and it's going to give a good flow of fat and grease in the food to make it juicy. If you get like, some people like 80-10, 95-5, but your hamburger is so dry. I mean, it's just dry, tasteless. But so I like the 80-20. It gives some good beef flavor. Right over here is my mixture. I've got my salt, my onion granulated. I've got my garlic powder, my black pepper, and some ketchup and mustard. And for the 6 pounds of ground beef, I also have 2 eggs. These eggs will help to hold it together so it won't break apart. A lot of people like to put oatmeal or breadcrumbs in their stuff, in their ground beef as a binding agent. But I'll just add another egg and keep the binding agent tight and not take away any flavor from the ground beef, okay? If we're ready to go, let's get this stuff all mixed up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now that we have this mixed, you can see it's not broke down into mush. You can still see the granulated, you can still see the fat, which is going to be good during the cooking process because it's going to keep the hamburger moist and not dried out. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get my grill to put on the stove. I'm going to get my pan to make the burgers, put it on, and I'm going to get my round grilling pan to heat my buns. This way, please. So here we have my little round flat top grill. I use this for making quesadillas, heating up tortillas. I'm gonna use it now for heating up and toasting my buns. Now, don't think about my buns, I'm talking about hamburger buns. Okay, we'll set that right there. This one here, I'm gonna make the hamburger patties and place them on here. I'll put that right here. And this is my little flat top grill. I'm gonna put that right here because it fits on the stove perfect for my 2 burners, okay? I would do it outside on the barbecuer, but we have a little bit of windy weather out there tonight and I can't get out there and barbecue. So, next best thing, right here in the house. And it's gonna make the house smell good anyway. And now we're gonna start making some burgers by hand. And trust me, they're gonna be good. I'm gonna put a sheet of tin foil down. Always use a sheet of tin foil. No, you don't mess up your stuff, but raw hamburgers ain't gonna mess it up. Here we go with our burger. I plan on trying to make these 8-ounce burgers. I don't have a scale, but I about know what 8 ounces is. You want to do your burger, try to get out all the cracks. See, you see the cracks? You want to try to keep getting it like this, okay? And then all your cracks are gonna disappear. That makes it when you cook it, it doesn't fall apart. Okay, that's one. Okay, I'm gonna try to preheat the stovetop here to 350 degrees, okay? Right now I'm gonna turn it on. The way to test it when it's hot is get a little bit of water and dribble it on. It starts bubbling. It means it's ready to start cooking. And I'll show you that when the time comes. But right now, okay, ladies and gentlemen, since I don't have a grill top thermometer to test it, I'm gonna do little sprinkles of water. Bubbling and sizzling right there is telling me that it's ready for grilling. So right now we're gonna put on some burgers. Look at these. Right now, we got these burgers on. They're sizzling, already smelling good. After they cook about, maybe let's say about 3 minutes, about 3 minutes per side. In 3 minutes, I'm gonna flip them over. And then in 3 minutes, after I flip them over, we're gonna put on some American cheese. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and rinse off these vegetables here for our cheeseburgers. Okay, on slicing up the onion, it's just like the potatoes I showed you in an early video. You just cut off the side piece here, because if not, it's gonna rock and roll. And then, now it's nice and flat. So you can just slice, see, slice, it's not gonna move. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna toast the buns, but not just with oil or butter. I'm gonna toast this with mayonnaise. It gives such good flavor, good taste with mayonnaise, and it toasts very good, very good. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you can also do this if you're making grilled cheese sandwiches at home. You know, and you're with your kids. You want a grilled cheese sandwich for lunch? Try doing it with mayonnaise instead of butter or oil. You'll be surprised how well it toasts and how good it tastes. Okay, what we got here? Look at that. Look at that. That is perfect, okay? We're taking this off now, and we're doing our thing. Right there. Oh, man, look. The best grilled buns in the West. And we are in the West. Can't get no more West. All right, now. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. I was doing a cooking channel here tonight on just doing cheeseburgers and making food for the family. But it came across my mind. Excuse me. On what happened for fellow soldiers over here in Afghanistan. And I had to do something. Hello, Facebook and YouTube and Instagram people. Today I was doing a cooking video like I do my cooking videos from all my military recipe cards. And so what happened over here in Afghanistan, I decided to do a tribute to our fallen soldiers. And so for right now, I'd like to give 1 minute of silence for our lost loved ones. Okay.